Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the traffic jam in front of us. You might see in my mirror that behind me there is a mark with Kawasaki. He has really cute companion with him today. We went out to check our favorite hill and our favorite corners up here, and unfortunately these couple of guys right in front of us kind of ruined the experience in the halfway, so that's a bummer. But we are going for a little adventure back to the forest on the other place, so this was kind of like a half stop. I've been thinking, I've done a couple of things on YouTube which were related to the hanging out with friends, to, like, you know, riding around, not particular reasons, just for fun, you know. And I've started usually my videos with some topic. I intended to talk about something. I have been on YouTube, I don't want to say for a while. I've been there for a short time. But I have quite a, you know, quite an insight into what people think, what people do, what other YouTubers do. And I've decided to talk about one interesting topic for all of you out there who are thinking to make videos on their own, to do some stuff on YouTube, to talk about stuff, to have a nice time, and you know, to put it out there. So today's topic is actually the truth about motovlogging. Why is that? You know, it's easy to go outside to shoot a video, to kind of put it together and to put it outside, you know, to put it out there into the world for everybody to see. It's quite easy. Now, it depends on what kind of level you want to have the videos you are putting out there. If you're just doing that for fun, just, you know, no extra editing, no like big point on bringing a piece into the Iraq, I don't know what else, but just have to have fun, you know, it's good. You don't expect much. You just want to put it out there for someone who will be eventually interested into a topic like that, to kind of like just look at others, how they're riding, and to enjoy the day with them. It ain't that complicated to put a video together without really a point, like driving around, or riding around in the corners, or just, you know, riding into nice country. Sometimes it's enough to attract people to actually watch it, you know.
Hi.
For all y'all who are out there and you are trying to accomplish something on your channel, to do some videos, to share it with the world, to show them your bike, to show them the roads somewhere around your house, or in your city, or in your county, or in your country. That's something what I'm trying to do. You should be prepared for a couple of things. The truth about motovlogging is, it's a hard work as any other. I'm not saying like to be YouTuber, okay? I'm not saying like to be like, I don't know, Jared Campisi or Modernosity or people like that, okay? I'm saying you are a beginner. You are trying to accomplish something, and if you don't know what that's about, it's a very interesting world. There is a lot of different people out there, and let me break it out for you. What you will find as as an obstacle, what you will find interesting, what you will find ugly on the internet, because internet is a dark place. Let's be honest, okay? So let's imagine you are trying to do something on your YouTube channel. You are trying to do some videos, something which should be interesting for other people, right? You will find, you know, a couple of different groups of people who are watching this stuff on the internet. You have people who are bored, so they are watching it just, you know, to kind of like skip the lunchtime, or they're on vacation, or they're really into bike. People who are really bored and they're watching like kitties, you know, like dogs eating their own crab and shit like that. You cannot eventually expect a lot of influence from them, a lot of insight, a lot of comments, likes, because they don't care. They just go through, they don't even watch the video till the end, because, you know, they're just killing the time. So you cannot rely on these kind of people. They will give you a couple of views, sure. It's not really helping. You're gonna get views, but it's a one-time thing. They probably will not ever come back. So that's I would say that's the first group. It's a kind of like gray zone. It's not positive, it's not negative. It's a view, you know, you're gonna count it, but it's not your, I don't know, let's call it community. Another part of people, another group of people are enthusiasts, okay, fans. They actually gonna like it, they're gonna comment it, they're gonna stick to your YouTube channel, they're gonna subscribe, and those are the people who are actually gonna help you to grow the internet. So that's a part of people where you can expect positive comments, likes, and stuff like, keep doing what you're doing, it's a good work, I like your content, man, be safe, I like your bike, I really enjoyed this episode. So that's a group of people which is actually helpful, and there's something which is gonna keep you going. And I appreciate everything what you've done. I appreciate all the subscribers, I appreciate all the likes and comments. I'm talking about positive ones, of course, but also I appreciate the negative ones, because we're gonna get to that, but negativity is also a key. Let's say third group of people. Third group of people is the best one. Those are fellow bikers. Those are people who understand what you're doing. They have a bike on their own. Not maybe even one. They can have like 3 to 5. Why 3 to 5? I don't fucking know. 2, 3, 4 bikes. And they fully understand what you're doing. And those people gonna understand what it is to ride a bike. They're gonna understand what you're feeling when you are on 2 wheels. They're gonna feel the speed. They will relate to experience and to emotions. That's a great group. These people gonna reach out to you. They're gonna follow you on Instagram. They're gonna follow you on YouTube. They're gonna talk to you. You might go out and ride with them. That's something which we have done in the episode before, so you can check it out. On the top right corner, you're gonna have the pop-up banner up there, and you can check it out how we went out with a fellow biker who reached out to us through the internet. So that's the best group ever, and I appreciate every single biker who watched my video and liked it. The fourth one, it's a spam. I know it's actually not a group of people, but you should, you know, you should take that into account. And you will find some really weird comments below your videos which are related to, I don't know, porn, or some visiting some weirdo pages, or some shops, e-shops, I don't know what else. But it happened to me, it happened to my friends, and you're gonna have really weird comments somewhere on your videos which are related to some presumably naked girls. Don't click on it. I'm telling you ahead, don't click on it. It's, you know, it's a spam, so you don't want to do that. So fifth part of people, or fifth group of people, let's call it captivity in negativity. Or just easily call them haters. I don't fucking care. They're haters, you know? Interesting thing or truth about these haters, it's nothing ever what you're gonna do is gonna be fine with them. Okay? Let me explain. Imagine you are riding your bike, okay? You are riding your bike and you want to make a video about it. And you just want to do the video where you're gonna have like the storyline, you know, talking and friends and, you know, driving around and having fun and in a nice weather and having a cup of a coffee or tea or I don't know, doesn't matter. And you're gonna do a video about it. These people, they're gonna take a look at your videos and imagine situation, okay? So you're riding fast. You're riding fast, you're dragging your knee, you're racing your friends or doing whatever dumb shit you want to do. And these people gonna come into comment section and they're gonna be like, oh, you are so dumb, you are threatening to other people, you are threatening to your life, I'm canceling the subscription, you should never be led again on the public roads. Okay, sometimes, you know, sometimes there's a piece of truth about it, but these same people or this group of people gonna be like, hey, you're driving so slow, like my mom is better than you, you know, like dragging your knee, go on a racetrack, we're gonna, you know, do a lap. These kind of people, which nothing you're gonna do is gonna be good for them, and they're gonna repeat each other with same dumb comments all over again. But honestly, people, you are riding around, okay? You are riding around, keeping in the speed limit, having fun, talking about your weekend, talking about your evening with the kids, talking about the football game with your friends, and some piece of shit gonna come to your comments. They're gonna say, oh, you're dumb, you're driving so slow, it's so fucking boring, and I don't care what you're talking about. Like, in that case, don't watch it, okay? Don't watch it. Like, what's the point of you coming to the comment section when you can skip the video? And I'm talking to all y'all out there who are just coming to comment sections to be macho on the keyboard and insulting and attacking people who are trying to do some stuff on the internet on their channel. They're gonna come to your comment section, they're gonna say, your bike is ugly, what color is that? You know, if it isn't 1000cc, it's not a bike, it's a scooter. Like, I don't get these people, okay? I don't get it. People who I met on the circuit, people who are dragging their knees on CBR 1000, dragging their knees on R1, if you come to them on a racetrack, they're gonna have a cup of coffee with you, they're gonna tell you what you're doing wrong, and they're gonna ride with you. So I cannot possibly imagine who are these people who are coming to comment section and they're insulting others for riding bike what you like, okay? Like, if it even 125, I don't care. I like a 125. I would love to have 125 to the city, okay? They're pretty bikes. The whole point of this truth about motovlogging, you're gonna find out after commercial break when I get my apple juice. So we are back after our little pause. Honestly, I didn't have apple juice, I had orange juice, but it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna tell you what was actually the point of this whole truth about motovlogging. But the truth is, and gotta tell you that, if you want to do the videos on the internet, if you want to do the content for your YouTube channel, just do it. Being this said, I appreciate your views, I appreciate your comments, I appreciate your subscription, and if you didn't subscribe yet, because I can see that over 80% of you are not subscribed to my channel and you are watching these videos, please, okay, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do some next topics, I'm gonna do some track riding, I'm gonna do some races eventually on the track this year. Hopefully I'm planning to do some races on the track. And as you can remember, I've done one kind of like a funny video, which you can find also in the pop-up banner up there in the corner. You can check it out. It has a lot of positive comments and a lot of positive feedback. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice one. Mike out. Bye bye.